start smoking. Got about 15 on the GoPro battery, so try to walk you through it real quick. Let you check it out. Yeah, so I don't know what happened leaving my last spot, but I was definitely talking about trimming first and mowing first. And back to what I said, shout out to Ray's Lawn Landscaping. Ray was talking about trimming first before he cuts. Now, like I say, when I first started, I was doing a lot of trimming before I cut. And even if it was a yard or regular maintenance, I found out that for me, it just is longer. It takes a lot longer for me to try to trim first and then mow. So I want to get you guys suggestions. What do you guys do? Do you trim first? Do you mow first? How do you do it? I'm just trying to find out the way to be the most efficient. But what works for me so far is mowing first, then trimming. Seems like when I mow, I can hit some of the spots that I need to trim. And then if I trim, I catch myself trimming spots that I need to mow. So just want to get you guys feedback, man, on that. Give me 1 second, man. I'm gonna change this battery out and I'm gonna holler at you when I get in the truck. All right, and then back to what I was talking about with the mowing and the trimming part. Now, with me, I gotta find a way to be as efficient as I can, guys. When I say solo, I'm really solo. Like, single father solo. Gotta still do all the extracurricular activities with my kids solo. Gotta make sure, you know, I stay on my kids' butt so the school stays on my butt solo. So I'm really solo. So I really have to find the best way to be efficient out here. I already know, and pretty much how most of you guys are. You get off work, cutting grass. After that, you're going to edit videos. And, you know, an 8-hour day ain't really an 8-hour day sometimes. 8-hour day might turn to 12 to 16 hours. So, give me some suggestions. Leave some comments down on how you guys do it. I'm just trying to be the most efficient I can. At the same time, still deliver quality service. So, because we don't want to be doing no work and, you know, skipping over stuff. That ain't what we about. You know, we ain't about that at all. So, I'm just trying to figure it out, guys. I'm out here today. Like I say, before my one got cut off a while ago, I don't know what happened to the GoPro, but I'm out here today and got 2 knocked out. It's 9:50 right now. So we got 2 knocked out, we got 4 to go. And it's starting to heat up. So we're gonna see how it goes today, man. I guess my next one, I don't know. I was gonna say I was gonna try to trim first on that one, but we had that little rain, man, and I ain't got a bunch of weeklies. The first 2 I knocked out this morning was weekly, so one I had to push back a little bit because of the rain and how dry it was last week. And so I'm back on it this week with it. And I got a lot of bi-weekly, so I don't know how that'll work with me. Trimming first and then trying to mow. So I'm just trying to figure it out, guys. What do you guys do? How do you guys knock it out? And what's best for you? What's quickest for you? What's the most efficient way for you? I need the suggestions. Yeah, I really do. Like I told you guys, man, it's only my 3rd year in this thing, and I'm not even gonna sit up here and act like I know it all. I know it's a lot of stuff that I'm missing. I got a lot of, you know, been getting a lot of experience these 3 years out here, but still a whole lot of stuff I hadn't been through yet. So just looking for your suggestions on that, man. You guys got any suggestions? Leave them down in the comment section, like I said. If you're a new subscriber, man, shout out to you. I appreciate you for supporting. I really do. It means, you guys don't know how much it means to me, man. Even if I had just 5 supporters, man. If it was 5, I appreciate the 5 I have. So if you guys ain't if you guys are just watching, because I know I got a lot of people watching. If you're just watching, hit the subscribe button, man. Help your boy out. Then also hit the bell so you can get all the notifications. Hit the thumbs up to get the videos out and share them. So I know you guys ain't seen me about a week. I miss you guys. I know you miss me. And I'm gonna get out here, man, knock the rest of this day out, man. You guys stay cool, stay hydrated. If you're fresh in the game, don't give up. It's just the beginning. And you can build this thing as big as you want to, man. So that's all I got for you today. Boneyard Lawn Service. I'm out of here. You guys take care.
Start smoking.